How to change Reddit username. For this, go ahead and launch your Reddit application on your mobile device. To change your Reddit username, your account must be connected to either of Google or Apple account. Also, make sure that your account is fresh and is not of 30 days. As you can see, my account is past 30 days. I won't be able to change my username anymore. However, by tapping on the pencil icon, I can easily set or edit a display name for me. Also, make sure that if you have the option of editing your username, you will only be able to change it once. However, regardless of having a fresh account or being connected with a Google or Apple account, if you still do not have this option of editing your username, tap on your avatar icon and head to the settings option. Now from here, you have to scroll down until you see the option of Help Center. Just scroll down and tap on it. In the box, go ahead and type in cannot change username and give it a search. Reddit Help will provide you with some of the articles that you may find helpful, and just go ahead and follow the instructions provided to you. Or sometimes it might be because of a bug issue. To fix the bug issue, you can exit from here and press and hold the app to head to your app info. Force stop the application, then tap on Storage and Cache, then clear up the cache. Once you do this, check for an update. Open up Play Store or App Store and search for Reddit. Tap on it, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, try again after a while. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.